Hey guys, welcome to my channel Blooming Gusto Relish Life with me. This is Anurupa. Today I'll be creating a look for a Diwali look, and let's start the video.
feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you store, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Don't pull right down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Don't pull right down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the
Friday night, it's party time, feeling ready, looking fine, viene llegó rumbeando. Put the magic in his eye, checking every girl inside, proving like he does the mambo. And he's a man in a little place, he's feeling hotter, he's the king bailando, with the rockathanda. And the DJ that he knows well on the spot, always around her, plays the big that Diego Bell with Papa Tasta. Y la baila, adelante, y la canta. How he comes and disappears, everyone will hypnotize you. Some will call it Jularia, others say that it's a real Rastafari Gitano. And he's a man in a disco place, he's feeling hotter, he's the king bailando, Rito Rockathanda. And the DJ that he knows well on the spot, always around my place, it makes it Diego Bella Papa Tasta. Y la baila, adelante, y la canta.
Very happy, nostalgia, and Diwali. I'm actually here. What do you want?
I'm on fire, fired on.